seatbelt on, safety start. My ABS lights on and off. My air governor should cut out between 120 140 psi. Governor cut out at 120 psi and my truck passed the test. Clutch, putting to the gear, releasing brakes, turn off your truck and make sure turn on your key on position. Now I start my 3 important air leak tests. My truck cannot lose more than 4 psi in 1 minute, and I start my test now. I'm pushing my brakes, service brakes, waiting 1 minute. Okay, after 1 minute, my truck did not lose more than 4 psi, and my truck works properly. Taking off your feet. My second test. My light and buzzer come on at or above 60 psi, and I start my test now. I'm pumping my brake. My low air lights and buzzer came on at 65 psi, and my truck passed the test. My third test is my tractor and trailer protection valve test. My tractor and trailer protection pop out approximately 40 psi, and I start my test now. My tractor and trailer protection valve pop it at 43 psi. My truck passed the test. Second safety start. Pull your clutch, put to the neutral, checking brakes, and we start. ABS lights on and off. Okay, my seat belt, it's securely mounted, not frayed, not cut. Okay, I have my 3 reflector triangles, I have my fire extinguisher, and I have my spare fuses. Okay, my CT horn is working, my air horn is working, my dashboard, my water gauge is working, warning lights is off, my oil gauge is working, warning light is off, my voltmeter is charging. Okay, my left turn signal is working, my right turn signal is working, my high beam is working. Okay, my 4 flash lights is working. Okay, my heater and diffuser. My heater is working and my defroster is working. Okay, now my wipers and washers. My wipers is working smoothly, it's not broken, and my washer is working. My windshield, my windows, and my mirrors. My windshield is clean, clear, no any stickers to block my vision. My windows is securely mounted, not damaged, clean, clear, and my mirrors is adjusted for me. Next, I'm doing my tractor, trailer, and service check. To check my trailer brakes, I'm putting to the clutch. I release my tractor brake, and I'm trying to pull forward my truck. Truck did not move. My trailer brakes works properly. To check my trailer brakes, I release my trailer brakes. To check now my tractor brake, and I pull forward. My truck did not move. My tractor brakes works properly. To check my service brake, I release both brakes. Not touching steering wheel, going forward.